Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing and yeah, that's all there is. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a description down below and then a link to get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 in credit too if you use it, so I appreciate it if you do, but no pressure if you don't. We're gonna open her up. We're gonna use our trusty, rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. If you're wondering where I got this sweater, this is a true goldenrod, okay? If you watched my Wantable unboxing, they had sent me a yellow sweater a couple boxes ago that was like a sickly yellow, but on camera it looked goldenrod. This is a true goldenrod, and it's from Kohl's in the junior section. So it's really stretchy. I'm not a screwdriver. Okay, it's really stretchy, which is nice. So you can like tie it in a knot, you can tuck it in, you can do whatever you want with it. You can roll up the cuffs. Super cute. Look at that. Which I might do because it's a little warm up here today. All right, we're opening her up. They send you the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. And ooh, we got some jewelry this time. They do a fixed preview now where they send you in your app 10 items and you can pick, you know, up to 5 items of what they pick for you. And if you don't like anything, they'll pick new things for you. So I think I picked 3 things this time. All right, we're gonna read our style note. Dun, dun, dun. Hey Rachel, I hope you're having a great week. I saw you changed up your hair for fall. I did. It's dark. It's dark and I like it. It's like more close to my natural. It looks so great, thank you. I have an appointment coming up and I can't wait to change out my blonde for copper. Yay, yay. Last fix I told you I was coming to visit where I live, the state where I live. We had an amazing time. My husband loved a certain place and he wants to move there in the future. That'd be cool. It is really nice. I don't like to drive there because one-way streets and things. I just don't like it. I live in the country. The people were so nice and it was so relaxing. There's so many cool things to do there. Falling into your fix, ba-dum-bum. I know you're still looking for a fall dress for the wedding you have coming up. It's next week as I'm filming this. After you chose the olive option from your fixed preview, I also found this one in burnt orange in a smaller size in case the other ends up being too big. This way you have options. I know we rarely do jewelry, but I also thought you'd like these simple twist earrings by 41 Hawthorne, and I was really excited about these faux leather pants. That's right, I picked some faux leather pants. I completely forgot. Enjoy, XO, Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. I completely forgot about that. So, there we go. All right. Let's get her out. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that fall bundle. Contrary to my friend's belief, it is still fall, okay? We're not doing Christmas here until December, okay? I'm currently in a group text with my friends who are all excited for Christmas. I love you guys. I have nothing against Christmas. I just have against Christmas when people decorate before December. I don't know, it's my own thing. Anyway, here's the bundle. Alright, so tearing into it, here we go. Alright, crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. If anyone ever wonders why I say crinkle, 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 a long time ago when I was first starting, someone had said it was annoying when the paper crinkles, but how else am I supposed to unbundle it? So now I say crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Alright, first up we have this beautiful sweater and it is so pretty. I love it. This was in my fixed preview. I think I did pick this one. Obviously I picked it. Little elbow pads there. It's like a nice kind of basket weave throughout. It's so pretty. This is Letty and Me Josie elbow patch pullover in burgundy, but it's more like a purple, I'd say. I think it is beautiful. I hope it's pretty on. There goes my dog. It has a nice curved hem. I love a curved hem. We're drinking coffee today, in case you were wondering. Iced coffee. I think my husband just got in from hunting. That's why my dog's barking. Next we have I hear him on the stairs. The Kaylee Nilani knit dress in burnt orange. This is one she threw in for me. This is really pretty. Really pretty. I wasn't expecting this. Has elasticy sleeves. It has an elastic waist, and then it has this really cute ruffle on the bottom. Now, I'm sure you can wear it not off the shoulder, but this makes me feel like it's an off the shoulder. Let's see what it says. I already read it. It doesn't say, but that's really pretty. I really like the ruffle on the bottom. Super cute. I feel like you could, you know, wear that to work too. Here is the dress that I picked. I forgot about the faux leather pants. This is the bottom. All right, this is also by Kaylee, and it is the Pamela knit faux wrap dress in olive. Pamela ma ding dong. All right, it's a faux wrap, as it says. It has kind of like a balloony sleeve, nice little floral thingy, floral pattern. Here is the bottom. It also has a ruffle on the bottom. I really liked it, so I'm excited to try both those on. I think I'll feel more comfortable with sleeves as opposed to the jumpsuits, which I tried in my last Stitch Fix. If you want to see that, I'll put a link up there. And we have the faux leather pants, leggings, Hollywood pull-on faux leather pants in black. So the front is the faux leather and the back is not, which is kind of cool. Kind of interesting. All right, and we'll see. And then we have, oh, I have not been wearing silver very much, but these are really cool. Look at those. Those are really cool. I just haven't really been wearing silver. So if they were in gold, I would be all over those. I really like them. Do they come in gold, Deanna? I'll have to see. All right, so those are our 5 items. I'll sanitize those and then I'll put them in and we'll see what they look like. But those are our 5 items. Let's try everything on. Okay, I did put the earrings in. Let's zoom in. My famous zooming skills. They're really cool. I feel so weird. They're really cool. Look at them. I think they're really neat, but I wish they were in gold. I just mostly wear gold. I want it to focus on my face. There we go. So they're really cool length. I did it. I zoomed out. I just wish they were in gold, but they're really cool. I really like that twist. All right, now let's try on the clothes. Okay, here we have the shirt and the pants. You can hear me coming a mile away. Anyway, they look okay. I have tried the faux leather pants before, and I just don't think they look great on me. Here's the back. See how they're not the faux leather? So, I just can't walk in them without laughing because of the sound. The sweater is really pretty. I do have a like pretty light colored cami on under it, so you can kind of see that through the weave. So I'd probably just wear a darker, maybe cami under it. But here's the elbow patches. They're so cute. Has a nice curved hemline. I think it's a really nice sweater. There's the weave if you want to see it a little better. You can see my cami under it. So I do wish the weave were a little closer so you couldn't see the cami under it. But I think it's really cute. Elbow pad goes right at the elbow. There's a string not related to the sweater. It's black. It's probably from the pants. So yeah, here's first outfit. It's cute. Do you hear that slap on the pants? I think the pants are just on you. Do you want to see the length of the pants? Let's see. Let's go down. We're not going to be traumatized. There we go. So yeah, there they are. Am I just very noisy? Back's not noisy. Anyway. Just on me. Is it a little weird too that it's just the front has the faux leather? Maybe a little bit. So, okay. Let's try on the dresses. There's my light. Here is the first dress. It is very V-neck. It is very wrapped. So she did send an XXL in this, so I'm wondering if maybe that was the only size available. Because it is really stretchy, so I don't think that would have been an issue. Other than like this being a little too open, which I could always, you know, put some tape, you know. I think it's really cute. I like the ruffle on the bottom. I like the sleeves, because I think it's gonna be like, I did find out, I think since my last video. Gosh, that light, dude. I did find out that it is like an indoor-outdoor kind of wedding. The ceremony is in a church, and then the reception's like a barn kind of wedding when there's like the outdoor bar and things like that. So the sleeves are going to be appreciated. I just don't like how open this part is, you know. But the ruffle's really cute on the bottom. Let me go down. Hey there. All right. There's the ruffle. So it's perfect length. This is just too open. I would want it to be maybe more like that. I don't know. All right, so let's try on the last dress. We're just gonna do it. Here we go. This would probably be really cute on someone else, not me. I don't think. Dang it. Let me tie it. I untied it. I don't know. I just feel a little too Little House on the Prairie. I thought it was gonna be, I think it's maybe the elastic here. You know, you could probably wear it off the shoulder if you were someone else who liked that. Let me scroll down. It's a little too form-fitting in the stomach area for my liking, even though it's flowy. Like, it's not cut flowy enough throughout, and it's like a stretchy kind of elastic material, so it clings at the same time. But the bottom ruffle's cute. Oh, Deanna, it's all right. It's okay. I have a backup dress for the wedding from Amazon. So it's okay. It's not a big deal. You know, who cares? So, okay. So far the winner is that purple sweater, which is beautiful. I like it a lot. All right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Alright, so the Kaylee Nilani knit dress in burnt orange, $58. The Kaylee Pamela knit faux wrap dress in olive, also $58. The 41 Hawthorne Raina twist drop earring in silver, $28. If they were gold, I would have bought those. I bet they come in gold. Maybe send them in my next box if they come in gold. The Letty and Me Josie elbow patch pullover in burgundy, but it's like really this really nice purple. $46, and the Violets and Roses Hollywood pull-on faux leather pant in black, size 16W, $58. So the whole box, $248, and then if you keep everything, you get 25% off. So it'd be $186 for the whole box. I do have $25 in credit right now from someone signing up, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Helps me get more boxes. So after that, the whole box would be $161 if I liked everything and kept everything. As it is, I'm just going to keep this sweater. So it's $46 minus the $25 is $21. That's some fast math. So yeah, here's the box. Yeah, that wedding's next weekend. I'll probably post a picture of my husband and I on Instagram or something. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's eyebrow06. So there we have it. Keeping this cute sweater, enjoying this fall day, drinking my coffee. I'm gonna go say hi to my husband who just got in from hunting and see what he saw. Probably some squirrels, probably some deers, you know, the huge. So, okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.